Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing power and connectivity. Charge the case and earbuds to at least half so firmware can initialize reliably. Once done, open the case next to your phone to trigger the Bluetooth prompt. This avoids manual menu hunting. If the earbuds don't auto-power, press and hold both earbuds for 3 to 4 seconds to turn them on. This forces pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device and that no other competing headset is connected, because simultaneous pairings can block setup. Next, pair and configure audio. Choose Jabra Elite 4 from your phone's Bluetooth list and tap Connect. Pairing is quick but confirms the link. Then install the Jabra Sound Plus app. This gives firmware updates, EQ presets, and hear through control so you can tailor sound and ambient awareness. Follow any firmware prompts and keep the earbuds in the case while updating to prevent interruptions. After update, use the app's quick setup to set voice prompts and preferred headset functions for calls and media. Finish by learning controls and verifying fit. Use the touch controls for playback and calls, short taps for play/pause, double tap for next, and press hold to summon your voice assistant, because reliable controls save time. Make sure ear tips create a snug seal. Swap sizes until bass and call clarity improve. Finally, run a test call and quick media check. If problems persist, reset the earbuds by holding the specified buttons for about 15 seconds, then reconnect via Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.